definitely on you. There's no way you can get around it. Now I gotta buckle myself up. I'm gonna do the welcome back to Doc's Boost. Hey, welcome back to Doc's Boost. What's up? I got Kelly in here. After the new suspension, he needs to feel how it is. So we are gonna go feel it. Do a quick ride up and down the street here and there. Hey Kelly, tell us a few things about yourself and don't hold back.
Like what?
Whatever, man.
Well, there's not much. I guess I played a band, Pelvic Meatloaf.
Yeah, I got it. I got a CD of it.
Yeah, he's got the CD.
He's almost famous.
Right. Is this gonna come out before August 11th?
I don't know.
Advertising for our next show.
Oh yeah, okay, yeah, sure. I could work on that for a little bit of movie.
Yeah. I haven't even been in this since you've done the tuning and all that stuff.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. So.
It's got 373 gears in it now.
Oh wow, okay. So there's a lot of differences since the last time you've been in the car. Yeah, but I can tell just the ride of the car.
Yeah?
Yeah.
When you dial it down all the way firm, it's like something's pushing down on the car. It's just an amazing feeling.
Yeah.
And I just brought that off from having it dialed down from the track back on June 9th. I kept it that way until 2 years ago.
Oh my God.
So you just missed it by 2 days. You know, I didn't have the heart of backing it off. You know, I just wanted to do that. But yeah, it's quite different from what you remember.
Yeah.
Feeling good. One of these days, you're still going to have to come out there. Track. Let's spin it around here. And we'll wait for this track. We'll wait for that guy. Nah, we'll beat that guy. And it's nice to have a guy like you, Kelly, in the car with me that can appreciate that stuff. Because sometimes folks in the car would just go, without you, man.
I used to drive cars like this too. Not anymore, but not quite this fast. Still, yeah. It's been a while.
Well, I'm not going to be on the track in July. It's way too hot to do any of that stuff, even though there's an opportunity out there for me, but I'm not going to do it. But in August, I'll let you know when I'm going to head out there. It's going to be a Saturday or a Sunday. So, probably a Sunday.
Yeah.
And I'll make sure you know. Hey, and if you haven't subscribed to Doc's Boost, go ahead and take care of that right now. Get out there and have some fun. But stay safe and always buckle up, right? And we'll see you guys real soon. Woohoo!